Figma's new site editor lets you design and publish responsive websites visually with breakpoints for desktop, tablet, and mobile, all without writing code. Figma Make lets you design and publish fully responsive websites directly in Figma. No code needed. Figma just leveled up. Figma Draw lets you sketch ideas freehand. Great for wireframes, notes, or quick creative bursts. Figma's Layer Blur offers two modes, progressive and uniform. Figma's new texture feature brings depth to your designs with seamless patterns and realistic textures, enhancing visual complexity and bringing designs to life. And Figma Buzz? It's your new AI teammate, summarizing feedback, writing copy, and keeping projects moving fast.